According to Search Engine Journal, LinkedIn recently ran a study on what type of InMail messages get the best results. The study found the shortest InMails, those under 400 characters, perform the best. Additionally, messages sent out Friday and Saturday get the lowest response rate. Personalized messages get more responses, and those users with their status marked as open to new positions are the most likely to respond. In other LinkedIn news, Search Engine Land reported a new business manager platform is coming to LinkedIn. The new centralized platform will allow marketers to keep track of their accounts by combining Campaign Manager and Pages. Admins will be able to view and manage teams, advertising accounts, pages, and business partners all within one dashboard. LinkedIn did not say when the Business Manager platform would launch, but the VP of Product Management at LinkedIn said, quote, "in the coming weeks."